Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all to today's webinar on TechGeek.com. Today's webinar is on the topic Analytics, all about understanding patterns. Today we have with us as the speaker Mr. Gautam Munshi, CEO and co-founder at Redwood Associates. Gautam has over 11 years of working experience in leadership roles in analytical, sales and strategy with Standard Chartered, HSBC and Marketix. Gentlemen, this presentation will continue for next 45 minutes and you can ask your questions to the speaker by typing in the chat pane available in webinar control panel. So without further delay, I invite Gautam to present the webinar.
Thank you, Keshav, for inviting me to share our thoughts on analytics and understanding patterns. Am I audible, Shekhar?
You are audible. Please let's get started.
And my screen is visible, right?
Yes, absolutely. We can see your screen.
Perfect. So welcome, friends, and welcome to the session of Analytics Understanding Patterns. I do hope to make it a fairly interesting session for all of you and worthwhile for all of you in spending your Thursday afternoon listening to the session. Analytics is a buzzword which we have been hearing about in a major way, analytics, big data, in a major way over the past 5 to 10 years. What is this buzzword? Why are we here? Why is it becoming such a big issue and a big driver for businesses worldwide?
Sorry for interrupting you.
Yeah.
Actually, a part of the screen is not visible. It's a blank screen.
Part of the screen is not visible?
Okay, now it's visible.
Okay, perfect. So
it's not in the full screen.
Analytics is all about understanding patterns. It's not the full screen?
No. Can you please get it in the full screen?
Now? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a blank screen now.
None of the words are coming? Pictures?
No, nothing.
Okay, wait. Let me try it with PowerPoint. Give me a minute. Is this visible?
Yes, the PowerPoint is visible.
Keshav?
Yes, it's visible now.
And the picture?
Yeah. Now we can see
everything
that.
Visible?
Absolutely fine now. Thank you.
Perfect. I think it was a compatibility issue with the Mac. So, yeah. So, friends, going ahead. So, analytics is all about understanding patterns. We do believe that analytics is a more sophisticated way for patterns. And over the next 3 slides, I will just share with you why is analytics related to patterns and why are patterns universal. And if the next 3 slides, you're able to appreciate and understand the next 3 slides, I do believe that there is nothing in analytics or data mining which is going to be complicated. The first point which I would like to share is everything and anything in the world or the universe follows a pattern. There is nothing in the world which does not follow a pattern. For example, sun rising at a certain point of time, trees growing at a certain pace, seasons, height, weight. There is nothing, even inanimate objects, which follow the atomic theory. So everything follows a pattern. Now, if everything follows a pattern, that means if everything in the universe follows a pattern, there are many things which we consider as random events. It is very unlikely that they don't follow a pattern. Just because we cannot understand that understand the pattern, that doesn't mean the pattern doesn't exist. And in today's world, thanks to having very, very sophisticated data mining tools, thanks to the volume of data available, thanks to the power of mathematics available, we are able to decipher those patterns.